What's up, peeps? Reaper's Remorse here. So, this is a dev video. Actually, it's not really a dev video, it's just to show you where I'm at now. I now have multi-screen support. So, yeah, just one second. Alrighty. Alright, whatever. Okay, so... I just added the network screen. That's why this is here. Uh... whatever. So... Just like most systems, though, it starts up one screen, and it doesn't do the screen detection until you get to the login. Like, a lot of these work or whatever, and it's whatever, but the only really one you need to go in is KorOS. Right now. Later, the game is gonna have events where it messes up your save, or it messes up your stuff, and you're gonna either need to be able to figure it out, or just reinstall everything. And hopefully you had everything saved somewhere else. But either way, whatever. So right now I got no password, but just to show that there is a password, uh, I gave this one. I probably can't say this, so I'll just type it. Starts with a B and ends with job, capital B. And, oh. Right? That ain't supposed to happen. Let's go ahead and close that. One of my games is messed up. The things in it keeps moving. I have to open it on a different screen for it to... Oh, I didn't... Right, I didn't full screen these. Actually, let's go ahead and switch to me. I don't have a password on it because I didn't want to keep typing it. So that shows the profiles. Every profile is however you set it up. This screen has three workspaces on it. So it has three screens instead of one. All three, or all of the, if you have a screen, you'll be able to do this and put however many numbers you want on it. And it's supposed to divide itself. Hopefully it just does it well enough. I'm probably going to end up adding a few extra split containers. But, yeah, right now it's all completely, whatever. And there's an app on each of them, just so that you can see that each of them is different. But to the bigger screen, actually, for games, let's go and close my file explorer. Let's go and look at this one. Yeah, that's tall. Okay, so this game will play here. Let's do multiplayer. No, this is broken here too. Right, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Why that's messing up like that. But, so there's 4 different games. Technically modes, if you want to go by what it is called, but they're technically 4 different games. Each of them is a little different. So, let's go ahead and open it over here. We'll get the breaker going on this side. We'll get the normal block defense right here. I don't know why I keep right-clicking to try to open up a application like a dumbass. Right, so this one's broken too. Okay. I wonder what that is that's causing some of them to be broken. Oh, I bet it's because it's a wide screen. And these are tall. and I've been developing it on a tall screen. Either way, let's... Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what the problem is. So I gotta fix the Pong game, but hey, I can show it on this one and on this one. So, S and A for the left character, space or enter, or A, I think, whatever. He's already used the ability. So there's an ability that's in here that's not in normal Pong games or Brick Breaker games, where you charge up the little bar that's on top of your head. The... Oh, you can't see my mouse, can you? Uh, can... I don't know if you can see my mouse, because I can't see that screen. Fuck! Okay. Either way, this works pretty well on phone screens, and so on and so forth. There is a winning screen and everything, but I gotta get through this. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. I closed the wrong one. Fuck. That's gonna ruin my profile, I think. I'm pretty sure that each profile remembers how many screens you have on, too, and I just fucking closed one. So I'm gonna have to redo my profile. I hope not. Oh, good. Okay. Right, whatever. So, that's proof that it remembers things, although I kind of started off by showing that. So I have a notification center, and you can clear these by themselves, or you can clear all. Uh, right. So, I kind of showed one on this one. There's a leaderboards too, and this shows per game, so I don't really play this one much. This one is the one that is most like actual Pong, and it's boring because it literally takes forever. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and close that. Open it up for the soccer one. This one has, like, the ball can't be lost through the walls. Only the goals will actually take it. So, I did that to show them, you idiot. Sometimes the AI is dumb. So, see, it bounced off the wall instead of going through it. So, you gotta try to get it into these tiny goals. And I should probably make the goals bigger. I don't know, because right now it's just way too easy. But, yeah, so that's that game. Oh, why am I right-clicking to open? Okay, my second game, Data Dump. You can kind of figure out what game this is, I hope. I don't have the thing to show you what is next, like in the actual game, but I almost never look at that, so I didn't realize it until I was done developing this running version. Oh, that's dirty. You probably can't. You... Ah, I fucked up. Ah, fucked up. Eh, Ah! I thought I went. I gotta pay more attention. Okay, I'm dumb. I'm trying to get it to the point where it can uh do a line completion. Eh. Oh, I totally messed up there. Ah, fuck it. Okay, yeah, so that's that. There's a two-player mode, and this one uses the right keys and the arrow keys and the WAS and D. So yeah, that's the thing. uh, so that was the two games. Oh, and this one's got some messed up UI stuff too. This is for some reason my picker button's not showing up here. But normally there's a button up here and then you go down here and you select something and there would be like a blue outline over it. And for some reason it's not showing the picker button. So I'm unsure how to show this, but this is supposed to work. This is supposed to allow you to change the way that everything looks. Well, that sucks. Settings menu, let's change the color of the background. It's coming close to Halloween, I guess. So I can turn on different bars. Oh. Uh, right, so... Oh, this part's broken right now because I've got the multi-screen support set up. Right, this is the new system, and I need to redo a lot of things. Oh, and this is talking about this screen. That's why it has 3. It's set to number 1. And these changes change after you've restarted because I can't figure out how to do it while you're running. Uh, this one used to actually work while you're running because all it did was hide things. But this literally rebuilds the UI inside of it. So, yeah, when you add workspaces, you're adding a lot more than just the screens. Uh, so now you can pick which bar you're editing, and so on and so forth, and whatever. Save the display layout. I don't want to mess with it right now because I've already done a lot. But, showing that the sizing works. Touch, I'm not on my phone, so it wouldn't really matter, but I can do this. And it's supposed to... Well, it might need to update after the restart, but normally these fat grabber things are going to show up. Like, right here in the middle down here, so that you can grab this and move it. The grabbers are for touch mode because you can't really easily click these tiny little regions. Oh yeah, and there's something else I didn't show. My button for my start menu is a lot of different textures all in one. So yeah, the so there's notifications, link, and profile, and those three are gonna actually do things whenever you're, whatever. Uh, so yeah, my original thought for this one was to have a number show up on here instead, but I had to add the tray icon because uh of reasons. There were a lot of it's not really important. So the trash, I've got it set up where after 5 minutes, whatever's in your trash can is supposed to delete. So, that's what that's about. Why is this acting like this? Another broken fucking. Right. Uh, close. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what else to show you. There's a lot in here, but like a lot of it's pretty boring for y'all, I guess I would say. I don't know. Let's close this, and just in case, let's open up the music. And I've got 3 radio stations. Let's go back to retro. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I could assist, but this is boring too. I mean, it's got a lot to show and all, but oh, so it uses a real file system. Whenever I first started it, I built this from a demo project called Godot OS, and the original first version that was just a little bit of changes to that had a virtual file system, and it became an issue with what I'm trying to do. So let's try. So the searching works in it, blah blah blah. Here's something else I could show. I totally forgot about that. Yeah, I'm adding a visual scripting language for the mini games and stuff. It's not gonna be a real one, I don't think. But as of right now, it technically could end up being one. But you'll add your events and your actions and conditions. Ugh. Right, so the event connects to basically any of the white dots. There's a blue dot down here, it's hard to see. There's a red dot here, green and red, and damn it. And yeah, so that's stuff. The different colors are different things, and I'm trying to remember what exactly they why didn't you connect? Okay, that was weird. Should be able to I thought that I had it set up to right click would remove the line, but that's not how it works right now. This is super extremely early dev too. Green, yellow, I meant. So I think I'm supposed to put... Why are you not? Okay, well, that's not allowing me. Oh, I might only have the white and apparently the red working right now. Yeah, I wonder. Oh, you have to click very specific on these. Might have to change their hitbox. Oh, I gotta change their hitboxes. Yeah, that was dirty looking. Okay. But, yeah, so the plan, it is super, right. The plan is to make it where, there's gonna be mini games that require you to quote-unquote hack. So instead of having, like, actual code that could maybe teach someone how to actually get into someone's, I don't know, stuff. I don't know how else I should say that. I'm just gonna add little blocks that you need to set up, and you make a script that auto-protects you, but, I'm thinking that you're gonna have to unlock, like, the amount of nodes you're allowed to have or something. So I'll make it where it's, the very first version is bare bones for stuff. So, like, if you want to make your VPN stronger... Oh, never mind. I shouldn't talk too much about this. Right. What else could I add? I mean, show. I could show the terminal, I guess. I mean... If you type help, it'll tell you all of them. Echo, hello, YouTube. But yeah, so... Got a lot here. I'm not going through them. I'm just not. Oh, the reason why you have make dir and cd and ls and stuff is because you can be inside of a folder. Actually, let's go through the normal file system. So I can go to pictures, or I guess that would be dumb. I already added that. So let's go ahead and add a new folder, call it, it doesn't matter. You can rename it if you want. Make it shorter, I guess. Double click to open. This is an actual folder on your file system. Right click, I guess I'll make a JSON file. IDK, bro. I gotta make it where the enter button auto presses the create. But you can double click this and starts it off just like a JSON file would. This colon that. That's a valid JSON file. Oh, I don't have Control S working, so that's dumb. Right, so. Oh, I put 2, so I can now go ahead and save anyway. And then, I don't know. I gotta get these deleted. Wait a minute. Why is that even there? I wonder if it's only deleting it from this view. Right now, this folder and the other folder are different scenes, but they're supposed to be pulling from the folders itself. So I'm guessing that this only deleted the icons, not the actual objects, which sucks. Icons are shortcuts in this, so you can delete an icon. But I didn't think that it was gonna do this. So that's another bug I gotta fix. The hotbar is resizable. kind of don't matter. Unit converter. Let's go from inch to, foot, because why not? 256, so 21.3 feet. That works. Calculator, I guess. I might have shown the calculator already. Character map. If you're tired of trying to figure out what the code is for things, you can just click this to copy it. Right. I don't know what else to show. The application, blah, blah, blah. Go fuck yourself. Let's go ahead and change the... Alright, well, yeah, that's multi-screen support for... Oh, the radio app is a background process. And now it should be off. And... that was that. I'm also working on a text-to-speech program. And... yeah, I don't know. I'm dyslexic, so any kind of no longer needing to read is going to be amazing for me. And I don't want to use the existing text-to-speech programs because they upload a copy of whatever whatever text it is to their server to process it. And the things that I'm working on are for the game, so I kind of don't want to upload everything to a server for them to get the lore and stuff and whatever. But yeah, I'm also thinking about setting up a auto correction and stuff in here, and I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do this yet, but I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know. But yeah, so that's an update on me and whatever and blah blah blah. Uh, it's been a 27-minute video, so I hope you didn't get too bored there. Right. Well, take it easy. Or whatever. Bye.